Alright, so we're headed to AJ's to do some stunty stuff and take some pictures of said stunty stuff. It's cold.
It is not cold.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Hey, look, a Cadillac. I had one just like it. Hey, Dad.
This fucking idiot.
You almost got it right in the face, man. Where are we going? We can get one done over there? What? The triple? The triple double? Yeah, Doug can get it up in the air. Can you get it up in the air?
I can't get it up. If I'd have held into that one, I'd have fucking endoed. It's like sometimes I barely get it up, if you know what I'm saying, and other times I'm about to fucking faceplant. Alright, let's see if we can't get kicked out of this parking lot. Sickest stunt so far. See if I can't wreck in front of everyone. The bus just pulled in. Should we ask that guy if we're allowed to be here? Alright, thanks for being a nice guy, man. What a dickwad. Gotta go, whatever. Old people don't know how to have fun, or how to let other people have fun. Oh my god, that little train switcher thing is so sweet. I'd drive that thing as a daily driver. So we got kicked out of the first parking lot. Let's see where else we can get kicked out of.
I hate that shit. Like, talking to you like a fucking human being. Have a normal conversation with you.
Yeah. I said, thanks for being a nice guy, man. But he might have thought I was being serious. I wasn't. Old people are the worst. Jesus fucking Christ, AJ. That would've been a cool shot.
I was coming back to you.
I don't know who that is, but apparently they're cool. I was like, I don't know who that is, but apparently they're cool if they waved at you, so I'm gonna go up here. That is the best sign I've ever seen in my life for Chillicothe. I need to get warmed up. I am just not in it today. That was almost it right there. Luckily I grabbed that rear brake. That would have been fun. Remember that time you pulled out in front of Kevin and he almost ran you over?
Yeah. I thought all that was on purpose.
The light turned green. He was just going.
Yeah, I watched him. I did this a bunch of times.
Oh, maybe he did. I don't know. It was pretty fucking close though. Wag your finger at me.
I think we should do video instead.
Good. Do both. Who says we can only have one, you know?
I'm gonna do a no-footed wheel. What about one of these?
Yeah, great idea. I almost lost that one. Car coming. Act natural. Yeah, we're not doing nothing. We just got a big old camera on a big old tripod.
Dude, stuff is cool.
Is it?
Do one of those.
What? Oh no, no.
No.
I'm good.
What?
You want to try a doubly?
Yeah.
Well, anytime, sweetheart.
What? I need my fucking break. I ain't doing that shit. Trying to get me to loop out. Failed it! Soiled it! Soiled it!
Soiled it! Soiled it! Soiled it!
Both come from separate, like I'll come from this side, you come from that one and do it right on the white pits.
We should literally fucking hit each other.
Yeah.
Stop it. Break our fenders off.
Oh, Dougie.
I was like, no, I'm not ready. Ready? Mine was winky. Hey, there's your wallet. Do a stoppie on your wallet.
Okay, do it good this time.
Do it good this time?
Right, try to do it more better.
I'm gonna try to do it more better. I'm scared. Yeah. Or not. That's scary, huh?
I got scared, yeah. Don't be scared. You'll never get anywhere being scared.
I know that I don't flip like literally forward and then come back, but it feels like I'm going to. Mine is still pretty low, but...
Do you want to do it where you lay on the ground with your legs up and an AJ does a stoppie right here?
No?
Okay.
Yeah, let's do it.
You want to do it? That would be hot. What if he's standing and you guys touch helmet? You serious?
I mean...
Well, at least he can step out.
Don't take my nuts out. Are we actually trying to touch helmets though?
I guess.
That's gay as fuck.
Is your GoPro on?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, good. Here, I'll do it one time. Oh my god. I can lean into him. Okay, do it again, do it again. Damn, a little bit closer. One more time. That's close enough.
That'll be good enough for a shot.
Let's picture that weird wheelie thing.
Weird wheelie thing. I'll show you a weird wheelie here in a second.
Yeah.
Oh, we fucking got it, bro. Let's do nose wheel, no stoppies.
You want to do more of that?
Coming at the cam.
Coming out? Okay.
I know. What do we lay down as a marker? Let's lay down a stupid stick. This will end up in my kneecap.
Yes.
Right here?
Okay.
Almost went over. Me too. I had to let out. I keep wondering how close you're gonna get to that line. Apparently really close.
Oh, that was cute. You're late, but that's fine.
As long as we met at the top at some point.
You met at the bottom, now you're here.
Yep, started from the bottom, now we're here.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team. Yeah, started from the bottom, now.
I didn't get him doing that.
The longest one he's ever done in his life. We should have a pop-up marker.
He's sick, telekinetic.
Correct. Look how cute that is.
What Dougie should do is
Okay.
when you're doing an endo, he should jump on your pegs.
Yes.
B-roll Doug's butt here in a second.
so horny.
Do you want to come behind old Sears and see stuff that'll make you nervous?
Oh God, maybe.
All right, I'll see you in a minute. Bye. That scrape bar though? Hashtag Twisted Street Design. Check that out. Sick. Sorry. Got a sick shot of you using that fucking 12 bar.
Yeah, I got that shit.
He's like, oh, you want me to film it? No.
Oh, 2 times. Oh, get everybody sitting there.
Then my mom pulls up, makes a U-turn and leaves. Because I said, do you want to come behind stairs and see stuff that makes you nervous?
Did you say that?
I swear to God. So, I mean,
We're all just fucking circle jerking.
we're all just fucking. She's like, that makes me a little nervous. You're right. Do a wheelie in the Jeep, Mom.
Back when I was growing up, we never rode each other's bikes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were just afraid we'd dump somebody else's bike.
We are too.
Pretty good there, Dad. Yeah.
Oh no, no.
Yeah. You get that, you little f***ing?